Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed preparation of solutions on different types of solutions like saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated solutions. Okay. Now we are discussing another important topic: observation of materials or substances in different solutions. Okay, so to understand how the materials enter into cell and exit out of the cell, we can perform some activities. So first of all, we do the one lab activity, observation of substance in different solutions. Okay, first of all, we have a aim. What is the aim? To observe to observe the material in different solutions. Okay, what is the aim? To observe the material in different solutions. For do this activity, we need some materials. What are the materials needed for this activity? So, materials. Two beakers, tap water, sugar, kismis. Or raisin. These are the materials required for do this activity. Once again, two beakers, tap water, sugar, kismis or raisin. Procedure. Take 100 ml of water in a beaker. First of all, we take one beaker. In this beaker, we take 100 ml of water, tap water. Take 100 ml of water in a beaker and keep dry raisin or kismis in this water. This is kismis or raisin. Leave the kismis for 1 hour. In the tap water containing beaker. Okay. Then after completion of the 1 hour, take the kismis out and compare it with the dry raisin. What we observe, the kismis kept in the water is bulges or swell because due to the entry of tap water into the kismis. Because tap water low concentration is present, in kismis high concentration is present. So the lower concentration of water molecules are enter into the kismis through a kismis membrane. Kismis membrane act as selectively permeable membrane or plasma membrane. So that's why the raisin or kismis is bulges. The kismis is bulges. Okay. First of all, take a 100 ml of water in a beaker. Keep dry kismis in water. Leave the kismis for 1 hour. After completion of the 1 hour, observe the kismis what happened. Take it out and compare it with the dry raisin. We can compare the dry raisin. The kismis kept in the tap water is bulges. Is bulges because the tap water entering into the kismis. That's why the kismis bulges. Because the process of osmosis. In osmosis process, lower concentration of molecules move from higher concentration of molecule through selectively permeable membrane. And then take another beaker. In this beaker, we take 100 ml of sugar solution. 100 ml of sugar solution. Take 100 ml of sugar solution in a beaker which was already prepared in the previous class. Okay, keep the swollen kismis or of the fresh grape or carrot in it. Keep the swollen kismis of the previous activity or fresh grape in the sugar solution. It is a bulged kismis or fresh kismis grape. Okay, leave it overnight and observe in the next morning. What will happen? The fresh grape will be wilted due to the water present in the grape comes out of the sugar solution. Because in fresh grape, the concentration of water is low. In sugar solution, concentration is very high. That's why the water present in the fresh grape comes out of the sugar solution. So in this process, the lower concentration of water is moved from the higher concentration of sugar solution through membrane. So in osmosis process, always water moves from lower concentration to higher concentration through a membrane. This membrane is known as selectively permeable membrane. Okay, selectively permeable membrane. The cells in the outer layer of kismis permit water to pass through. Okay. So the cells of the kismis membrane outer layer act as selectively permeable membrane. Okay, children. In next class, we discuss another important activity, potato activity, in the next class. Okay. Thank you.